Today we're going to cook pancakes. Pancakes are sweet and soft. You can make them for breakfast or dessert. This recipe is quick and easy. So you need a cup of flour, an egg, a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and some butter. Let's cook them. First, beat the egg in a bowl. Pour in the milk and stir. Add flour, sugar, and baking powder. Mix well. After that, heat a frying pan and melt a little butter. Pour some batter into the pan. Fry the pancake until golden. Then turn it over. Take out the pancake and place it on a plate. Finally, serve with honey and berries.